In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload email lists in Freshsales CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu and click on Contact. Then from here, you should do something like this. And here, you need to go over to Import Contact over here in the right-hand corner, right beside Customize Table, and add Contact. Then from here, it should look something like this. Select the way to import your contact. Then from here, you need to select CSV or Excel file or any of these other ones that you have an email list for. Then from here, you need to click Next. Then from here, you need to click Contact. Either my file has information about people or my file has information about people and their companies. Then from here, you need to choose the respected one and click Next. Then from here, you need to upload the CSV file as an Excel file and click Open like so. Then from here you can see the imported one. You need to make sure all of them are mapped and all of them are imported, or select all of those you want to import. Then from here you need to click Next. As you can see, your file is ready to be imported. How do you want to import your contact? And you can either select Create New Contact, create a new contact and update existing ones, and update only existing contacts. Then from here you can also skip duplicate contact if their email matches. And you can add an assigned sales owner for unassigned contacts, where you can either select all of your different employees. Then from here, you can also open more settings if you want to do that, and add tags, assign lifecycle stages, SMS subscription status, email subscription status, or WhatsApp subscription status. Then from here, you just need to click Import Now. Then from here, Freshsales will update all of these recently imported contacts. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!